It's a new year, and I'm sure one of your goals for this year is to grow your money. Good news! In this video, I'm going to show you how to exponentially grow your money through an amazing method called the 50-30-20 rule. Even if you know this rule already, this video will explain how to maximize this rule and what to avoid in order to achieve your financial goals.
Hi, and welcome to Business Reactor, where we will be showing you the latest tips and tricks in the financial space as well as business and entrepreneurship. If you want success in your life and business, then you came to the right place. Because in this channel, we help you in getting ready for success. For more latest success tips from our videos, subscribe to our channel and click on that notification bell button. Let's get right into it.
The 50-30-20 rule is an easy way to manage your budget and track your expenses without going into too much detail. It saves you a lot of time. So, this is great if you don't want to spend a lot of precious time budgeting and tracking your money. So, how exactly does it work? Simple. Just allocate your after tax income into three categories: 50% on your must haves, 30% on your wants, and 20% towards your savings and debt repayment. Pretty easy, right? But let's take it further so you can make full use of this powerful method. Meet Jim. He's going to show you how the 50-30-20 rule works in practical terms. So, Jim has a monthly after tax salary of $4,800. Using the 50-30-20 rule, Jim budgets 50% of his salary towards his must haves or needs. That's $2,400 that go toward things he can't survive without, such as food, rent, or mortgage, electricity, gas, internet, and phone. He can use up to 30% or $1,440 to buy things he wants, like eating out, the latest video game, and massages. Finally, the last bit, 20%, which is $960, goes towards savings and debt repayment. We all know how those are. Again, it's pretty straightforward. But what if your rent is more than 50% of your income? Well, that's a sure sign that your finances are way out of whack. So, in using this rule, there are some things you need to do to make it work powerfully to your advantage. Number one, live simply. This means lessening the things you can't live without. Examples of these are housing, transportation, food, utilities, clothing, and minimum debt payments. So, first things first, you need to track what you currently spend your money on and put them in the appropriate categories. Are they needs, wants, or savings and debt repayment? If you find that you overspend on a certain category, then find ways to minimize these spendings. Maybe find a more affordable place to rent. You can prepare your own meals more instead of eating out. You can also opt for a more affordable phone and plan. When you've made the needed adjustments and your expenses for this category now fit within the 50%, move on to number two. Number two, reduce your wants, or at the very least, simplify them. Again, so what are wants? These are things that you can do without, but your life may be a little bit more difficult without them. An example would be the latest TV model with all the bells and whistles or a more comprehensive home cable TV plan. Ask yourself, do you really need a TV? Or will your computer suffice for watching some entertainment and the news? I mean, everything is online nowadays. How about your phone? So, you want to change your phone to the latest iPhone model. You can just imagine the admiration from your colleagues and how good that latest model will feel in your hands. But your current phone is in great condition and does its job of keeping you in touch with others really well. Again, ask yourself if you can actually do without the latest iPhone model and still function well with your current phone. Evaluating and simplifying your wants make it easier to stay within the 30% assigned for this category. Number three, grow your savings. The last 20% of your after tax income will now go towards your savings. This can be emergency funds in a bank savings account, insurance, college funds, retirement account contributions, and investments in stocks. If you have debt, part of this 20% will also go towards paying this off. Take note that debt repayment in this category refers to extra payments above the minimum required debt payments. Minimum debt payments should be included in the first category, your needs or must-haves. Extra debt payments reduce the principal and future amount owed, so, in effect, they are savings. On the other hand, minimum payments are included in the first category because these are required, and if you fail to make these payments, it will adversely affect your credit rating. The 50-30-20 rule is perfect for those who are super busy, that they hardly have time to handle their money. It's also great for those who don't want to be bothered with too many details about their expenditures, yet still need a defined structure in managing their money. However, it isn't ideal for those who earn more than $126,000 because then the ratios won't make sense anymore. They will end up having you spend too much on needs. Many individuals who were in terrible financial situations have had their finances turned around by the 50-30-20 rule. Many have also jump-started their journey to financial success using this method. So start using this strategy today and be on your way to successfully building your wealth.
And that's it for today. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications for up-to-date videos on new trends and tips in the financial space, as well as business and entrepreneurship. Also, do leave a comment below if you have any thoughts and give a press on that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.